Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have 15 minutes focusing in on our glutes and our abdominals. We're going to do 15 exercises for 45 seconds on with 15-second breaks in between, and let's get started. Starting off on all fours, extend the right leg straight back behind you. You're going to lift the right leg up, set it down to the ground, and then draw the left knee into the chest, set it back down, and just keep repeating that, engaging your glutes and your abs. Here we go. All right, take a rest, you guys. Roll out those wrists because we're heading into side two. So meet me back in your tabletop. This time extend the left leg long. You lift the leg, set it down, and then the right knee draws in towards the chest, really engaging through the core. Here we go. And rest, you guys. Face the front, heading into our next exercise. Take your right leg long and press your left palm into the ground. Right arm overhead. You're just going to reach that arm towards the leg and then draw the knee into the elbow. So two set of movements connecting straight arm, straight leg, and then bent elbow, bent knee. Beautiful job. Take a breather, you guys. Heading into side two. Right hand to the ground, left arm and leg long. We tap left hand to left thigh and then a left elbow to left knee. Really connecting with your breath here, activating that outer glute and oblique. Here we go. And rest, you guys. Heading down onto our back sides. We're going to take our feet hip width apart, parallel, rest the upper body flat. Go ahead and find your hips up in that bridge, and then the right leg is going to extend straight to the ceiling. You're going to drop that leg down, knee comes in, and then extend the leg. So again, you drop it down in line with the hip, draw the knee in using the core, and then extend. and rest, you guys. Awesome job. We're heading into side 2. So this time, extend that left heel up to the sky. Hips are high. We lower the leg down in line with the hips, draw the knee in, and then extend it up. So it's an isometric hold in your right glute, and we're using the core to lower that leg. All right, nice job, you guys. We are going to go through each of those exercises one more time. So meet me back on your hands and your knees with that right leg extended behind you. We lift the right leg, we lower the foot, and then we squeeze and pull that left knee to the chest. Here we go. Take a breather, you guys, and roll out those wrists. We're heading into the second side in that tabletop position. So this time, extend your left leg back. You lift that heel up, set the foot down, and then draw your right knee into the chest, keeping the shoulders away from your ears. Here we go.
And it felt right, talking the whole night and dancing till the sun came up. I've never been so open, but I can't lie. No matter how I try, you're something that I can't contain, like capturing a flame. And it felt right.
Breathe and press yourself up and face the front. Extend that left leg long, left arm long. We tap, extend, and then draw the knee into the elbow, and then extend again. Really using those obliques and that outer glute. Nice work, you guys. Shake it out, and let's head into side 2. So this time, extend the right leg and right arm long, using the obliques to lift that leg. Find that little tap, lower, and then knee into the elbow, tap it back down. Here we go. Great job, you guys. Take a breather and head onto your backs to find those bridges. Our feet are going to be hip width apart. Extend that right leg up to the sky. Squeeze your hips up into that bridge. We lower the leg down, draw the knee into the chest, and then extend it right back up. Take a break, you guys, and we head into side two. So finding that bridge again, this time just extend that left leg straight up. We lower the leg down, draw the knee in, and then extend it right back up. 3, 2, 1, begin. Take a break. All right, you guys, we have 3 exercises left and we are going to switch it up a little bit. Keep those feet where they are. Squeeze your hips into your glute bridge. You're going to bring the right knee in, lower the foot, tap the hips, lift, then draw the left knee in, lower, tap the hips, and lift. Take a rest, you guys. The last 2 exercises are all about the core. So take your hands behind your head, elbows wide. Legs are going to be at tabletop. We are going to tap the toes down. We lift them back up, and then we're going to tap our head down and lift back up, alternating lower body and upper body.
Is the same thing, unless you don't want the same thing. Probably should've went and got the feature, but I didn't. But I saving up the money cause it's better for the business. I've been running through the streams, I'm chasing all the green lights, throwing off the shade for a little bit of sunshine. Running through the streams, I'm chasing all the green lights, throwing off the shade for a little bit of sunshine.
All right, you guys, for today's final exercise, we are taking our bicycle twist, opposite elbow to opposite knee. You can take this at your own tempo, but it's your final push of class, so really give it all you got. Here we go.
Back and forth.
you guys. Give yourself a big round of applause. That completes today's booty and ab workout. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, let me know in those comments, and we'll see you back next time.